In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily private your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. If you want to limit access to your account to strangers and make it accessible only to friends, you can simply lock your profile. You can hit Add menu, then get into Settings, and then search for lock, just like that. That will show you profile locking. You can just get into it, and that's where you can lock your profile in one click. Once your profile is locked, only friends will be able to see your photos, posts, and stories. However, people will still be able to search for you and send you friend request. If you want to lock your profile, just hit where it says lock your profile. That's it. You can hit at OK and use Facebook as before, but if you want to control your privacy settings in more detail, then you should go to menu again, then Settings, and then search for privacy. Then go to Privacy Settings, and that's where you can change some specific privacy settings, like for example, who can see your future posts. You can tap on it, and then you can change it to friends or to friends except some specific users. You can just by hitting at that minus signs, select users whom you don't want to share your future posts with. Then just don't forget to hit at done. Also, you can customize and you can limit who can see your past posts in the same way. Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. You can just get into any of that options and then set this setting to public if it's available to friends or to friends accept. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.